Welcome back to Gabs Kitchen Adventures. Today I'm sharing with you a walnut crusted chicken recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Gabby and I will be sharing with you recipes that are easy to follow and do. And I also share with you Mexican style dish recipes. I also share with you step-by-step process on how to do flower arrangements and also relaxing videos of locations in Southern California that I visit. And remember to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button so you could go ahead and receive notifications when I post new videos, as well as sharing it with your friends and family. For today's recipe, walnut crusted chicken, I'm going to go ahead and use 2 chicken breasts. I'm also going to use 2 slices of red onion, 8 ounces of green beans, half a cup of walnut halves. You can use 1/4 a cup, 2 tablespoons of basil pesto, half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1 ounce of light cream cheese, 1 ounce of shredded mozzarella, and salt and pepper to taste. Now with the green beans, I'm using 8 ounces, but you could go ahead and use a little bit more. I'm using about 3 cups of green beans here. So I'm gonna go ahead and place in a very hot pan the chicken breast with some olive oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and season it with salt and pepper on each side. I'm going to go ahead and place the chicken in a very hot pan with olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and season it with salt and pepper to taste on each side. And then I'm going to go ahead and have the heat at medium high and place each chicken breast about 10 to 12 minutes on each side until it's golden brown. After the 12 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and check that the middle part of the chicken breast is fully cooked. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and also cover it with a cover with a lid, so that way the chicken gets fully cooked as well.